Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we have a topic about learning second language is important or not. I think learning second language is very important because I think if you learn second language, you can make a lot of money as well and you can improve your skills as well. Second language means like Japanese, Chinese, French, Spanish, German, and Russian. These are the languages which are spoken in different countries. How I tell you means now I will tell you that how it is important in our life. Like suppose if you are shifted in abroad in foreign countries for educational purpose, you know that Indian education system is not much good. Like for educational purpose, if you are shifted in foreign country, there Hindi is not spoken. If you take admission in university, any university of America, there Hindi is not spoken, English is spoken. Most of the lecturers, professors, they will come to you and they will teach you. They will give you lectures in English. How will you understand? How will you survive? Because you don't know about English. They will say that you are yokel. They will understand and they will think that you are very uneducated person. And second thing, if you know how to speak fluent English, then you can get easily job. You know how? Because you can work in embassies. You know about embassies. There is an embassy of different countries in every country. There, if you are expert at speaking English, you can work that. And in the beginning, you can make 80,000 rupees per month if you are capable. And with the passage of time, it will increase. And second thing, if I tell you, you know, most of the companies, they hire the people on the basis of their English. Like if I give you the example of MNC companies like BPO companies, they will hire you on the basis of your English. If you are able to speak fluent English, then they will hire you. And otherwise, they will think that you are a very uneducated person.
Hello everyone, I am Danish and today we are doing debate here on a good topic which is about should we learn any second language or not. In my approach and personally I think we should not learn any second language. First I want to give answer to my brother as he told if we learn any second language we will get job. So I want to say who is jobless learn any second language they will provide you job. Second thing, they all are saying that English, English, English. That in America, in that country, in this country, English is spoken. I agree. But do you think that now, this time, English is a foreigner language? Of course not. Now, in this world, 96 countries, English is spoken. English is the international country. Don't say this thing that English, English, English. We are doing debate in about languages, not English. Second, I want to give answer to some of my opponents that if we go to America and you are doing business with America, so on that condition you have to speak English or any other language. You are talking about a businessman or a billion or a veggie seller. Can't he hire any translator or any machine for talking? And that a person he can speak English. A person he can speak English. And second one who is B, he spoke another language. So what?
Okay, I want to give answer as you all were mentioning about that English learning second language is a waste of time. If you are learning any kind of language means you are wasting your precious time. Last time I went to Chandni Chowk, Red Fort and many places I went to. I saw the people means a driver, rickshaw driver, even he was speaking very fluent English and he was saying that I wasted my a lot of time. If it would be better if I had learned English earlier. Means a rickshaw driver is saying that I should have learned English. So why can't we means learn English? We are the student. This is the age of learning. We should learn new kind of things, new kind of languages. And second thing, you all aware of data. A boy came. He was saying that in a Pakistan, Arabic is spoken. You are saying that English is our first language. But according to the Google, it is said that Hindi is our first language. It has been spoken in India since 800 years. Okay.
As Ayan Bhai, first he told that by the virtue of any second language, we are getting job. And now you are telling you found a taxi driver and who's driving, he was driving car or any rickshaw, sorry,
Drive rickshaw.
rickshaw. So he is jobless. If he can speak this much good is English, So he should be on a good post.
But he's not
According to you?
educated. He knows only how to speak
No,
good
according
English.
to you. I'm not saying it can't be done or not. According to you, you want to prove this thing that if we can speak any second language, so we can become anything. Job. If we go any company for job,
Okay.
they will wait. They don't. They,
Kind of languages are taught in that school, and it is about to come in Delhi's school as well. If these languages are waste of time, so why these languages are taught to us? And second thing, as if I want to say that if you go outside for educational purpose, if you don't know how to speak fluent English, you know the professors will think that you are yokel, you are uneducated person, that the person came from India, he doesn't know how to speak fluent English, and he just came for education and he doesn't know how to speak fluent English. The country of yokels, they will say, and you will defame your country.
as Bhayan has told, in school, other languages are teaching us that teaching us. So I think in government school or any government sector, we cannot learn anything. It is only for name. Any coach, any government coaching institute or FEA, and someone also mentioned about that through the FEA NGO we can learn. Where can you tell me any single FEA coaching where we can learn and we can become a good speaker of any second language? Second, we can become through sorry we can take if we don't have money. So through the mobile phone apps we can become. So wait, let me complete, brother. Let me complete.
You are
A good speaker should be a good listener also. So first listen. As that through the mobile phone we can learn languages. So who is teaching you in mobile phone? When he used to do study, there was no mobile phone, no social media, and now he's a good teacher and he's good post. But most of the time that if we ask how can we become a good speaker or a good person, a successful person, so another person that told manage your timetable, do hard work, do this thing.
You know,
Wait.
I want to give answers to my opponent, as they were saying that learning second language is very costly. It is very expensive. You will have to pay a lot of money for learning second language. First of all, listen. Here we have a Duolingo app. From the Duolingo app, you can learn any language fluently, and from the YouTube as well, you can learn any language. I learned sign language for 1 month, and I learned it very fluently, and I can do as well. And second thing, if I tell you about the French speaker, that if there is a person who can speak French, expert at French, he can earn up to 9 lakh rupees in India. And Spanish person as well, if he can speak, she can speak fluent French, Spanish, he also can earn up to 10 lakh rupees per month.